What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to apply video transitions in DaVinci Resolve to smoothly connect your clips and make your edits look more polished. First, open DaVinci Resolve and load your project, or create a new one. At the bottom of the screen, click on the Edit page to access the timeline. Next, drag the clips you want to use onto the timeline and place them in the order you want. Now, open the Effects library in the top left corner and click on Video Transitions. Here you'll see a list of built-in transitions like fades, wipes, and motion effects. Hover over any transition to preview it. Once you find one you like, click and drag it onto the cut between two clips in your timeline. You can also place a transition at the beginning or end of a clip. To adjust the transition, hover over its edge until you see a double arrow, then drag to make it longer or shorter. For more control, select the transition and open the inspector in the top right corner. Here you can fine-tune settings like alignment and easing. Finally, play back your timeline to preview the transition and make any final tweaks. And that's it. That's how you add and customize video transitions in DaVinci Resolve. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.